good? We're good. Okay. Hey everyone, I'm Tyler from Fortune Flares, owner, designer, founder, whatever you want to label it. I just thought I'd finally come out of the dark. You know, we've been around for a little while. There's people that know that we exist and what we do, and the projects that I've worked on currently, and there's people that may not be aware of what we can actually do to accommodate certain projects for the future as well. A little bit about me. Fortune Flares kind of just started as a lot of other businesses do. It was just an idea. It was just me trying to figure out how I would make a aesthetically pleasing wide body kit for a car that didn't have one available for it on the market. I had a 2013 Mazdaspeed 3, and I didn't really want to kind of fit in with the whole what was considered the norm of the regular universal flares. I wanted to do something different, and I decided to make my own flares in my garage one cold December, January, February in Canada here where we're located, and it turned into something that a lot of other people were interested in. So I just kind of took the next step and figured out how to make it something production worthy. Great that there's so many people that are so appreciative of something different, something new. Now we're currently working on getting the Gen 1 Mazdaspeed 3, which is 2007 to 2009, and the Ford Focus RS, which is going to be like, just the feedback from that one has just been phenomenal. We just debuted that one at SEMA. I put in probably 80 hours of work in like 3 days getting that thing ready, somewhat ready to go. We shipped it down to California like overnight. That was a first pull out of an MDF mold, which is just absurd. And they prepped it, fitted it, painted it, and showed it in like 3 days. There's one floating around California right now. That is kind of the pre-production version, and yeah, that kit is just killer. The biggest hurdle with all of this is getting the manufacturing done, getting all the bugs worked out of everything, because I don't want to be another one of those companies that just releases things that's 70% done. I need it to be to the point where I would want to buy this and fit it on my car. I don't think it's fair for me to release it unless it's at that point. I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who's supported the company from the beginning, and everyone who's supported the new projects with the pre-orders and the Focus kits and everything of that sort.